Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can download high quality videos from Facebook. So let's start our video. First, you need to open Facebook application on your device, then heads toward the video section. And here in today's video, I'm going to download a reel. So suppose I want to download this reel. You will see the arrow right here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on that one, you will find the copy link option here, and you need to copy the link. Now you need to open any web browser on your device. In this case, I'm using Chrome. So here all you need to do is to type in snapsave.app. So once you type in that, you will find the option here to paste the link here. Paste that link, tap on download, and this menu will pop up right at the bottom here. As you can see, you will find the quality of that video that you want to download, and there is 1080p as well. For that you need to watch ad and then it will be downloaded, but 720p is also HD. So all you need to do is to tap on the download option, and as you can see, the video is downloading right now. So guys, this is how you can download high quality videos from Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.